What is up, guys, and happy new year! It's 2018. I cannot believe it. I am so blessed and thankful to be able to transition, I guess, into 2018, and I'm so excited to see what 2018 has in store. Like, let's do this, bruh. As you guys know, it's your girl coming at you with another video, first main content video of 2018. Let's do it. As you can see, we have a bit of a scenery change. I am in my penthouse suite. Nah, bro, I'm just joking. I am in Virginia right now, so I'm in my hotel room, and you know, no excuse to not get a video up. So I am so excited because you guys, I am finally a part of the in crowd. Not that you want to be a part of the in crowd, but you know what I'm saying. Just keep watching the video. I went to Sephora. Okay, so you know what I had to cop. Okay, I got Fenty Beauty. Finally. I am just excited to be able to get my hands on Fenty Beauty. I went to 2 different Sephoras, and the second one I went to was even worse than the first one, meaning that they were just out of Fenty Beauty. But I'm so glad that I was able to at least get my foundation color. So anyway, I wanted to do a first impressions unboxing for you guys, so let's get right into the video. I got the, what is this, the Pro Filtr Soft Matte Longwear foundation. I got the Matchstix trio. This is the concealer, contour and highlight trio, and I got it in Tan 300, which comes with caramel, truffle and rum. I got another highlighter, shimmer skin stick, and this is cinnamon. And then I got the Invisimatte blotting powder. I got the cheek hugging highlighter brush. I got one of the lipsticks, but this actually isn't for me. This is a gift for someone. But anyway, also guys, I have Trophy Wife. Asha actually surprised me with this for Christmas when she came back from school. So thanks again, Asha. I'm so grateful. Like, this was such a sweet surprise. You'll just see what this thing be doing later in the video. I only got the highlighter brush because I love my MAC 170 foundation brush. Like, this thing does wonders. So I didn't need the foundation brush. I could have gotten it, but nah. And then I didn't get the beauty blender either, just because I just love my MAC 170 brush. So maybe I'll get it just to see how it works, just for you guys, but nah, I'm good. Okay, let's start with the foundation. This is, first of all, very good packaging. I love the colors. I'm not the type of girl to wear bright colors. I know I'm saying that, and I've got on this bright yellow sweatshirt, but this is definitely the brightest thing in my closet, no lie. But yeah, I'm not a bright colors type of girl, so the black and the cream is just, I love it, and it's just so sleek and clean. Amazing. Ooh, this is actually kind of heavy. So here we have it, the Pro Filtr Soft Matte Longwear foundation, and I am in the color 310. When the Sephora consultant actually tested me for which color foundation that I should get, because I didn't know what color foundation to get, so she did the little electronic skin color foundation test thing on me, and she actually matched me with the colors 290, I think 300, and obviously 310. And both of us actually liked the way 310 looked on my skin the best. So yeah, and I'm just so happy that they had it in stock, because I got the second last one. So yeah, grateful for that. So let's do this. I heard it's best. Oh, I love this. Just so I don't get anything on my sweatshirt, gonna do that. Okay, I'll be for it, only because I've seen that this foundation is a little on the watery side. So yeah, let's do this. I'm actually gonna use the mirror right here, but let's see. Should I move closer for you guys? I don't know, what should I do? And I heard, oh man, I didn't prime my face. Oh. Oh, that's another thing. I didn't get the I can't remember the name, but Rihanna's primer. I didn't get that because I already have about 3 different primers, guys. So while I was excited, I was also trying to spend wisely. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am impressed. Does this not look like skin? Sorry guys, my phone keeps going off. Wow. Now this is it's buildable, meaning it's medium to full coverage. So depending on how much coverage you want, you just keep building. But I guess we can go for a more full coverage. I know my mama's watching this video right now and making sure that I take my foundation back to my hairline. Oh, I love this. Not to mention, it smells really nice. Hey, Riri, girl. Okay, girl. I see you. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, honey. You guys, I love this. This is perfect. Wow. Okay, honey. I'm not mad at it. Like, this is dope. Yes. So now that that is done, put that away. We're gonna conceal, contour, and highlight. Now, I am not the best. I wouldn't say I'm not the best, but when it comes to contouring, yeet. When it comes to contouring, I actually normally don't do it just because I'd be so scared that it'll... This is nice. So this is the Matchstix Trio. And again, like I said, I got it in the Tan 300 Trio. So it's caramel, truffle, and rum. Caramel to highlight, truffle to contour, and rum. We're going to use both rum and Trophy Wife today. So, and I love that these are magnetic. So cute, and the packaging. I just love the colors, honestly. It's amazing. This foundation is Gucci. I guess we will highlight first. This is how much product that comes in the Matchstix. It's a fair amount of product, honey. So let's see. I don't know. I feel like I probably should have gone lighter. This looks like the same color as the foundation. It's alright though. Actually, well, yeah. It's very nice and creamy. It goes on very well. I just love that it's magnetic. What am I gonna use? I'm gonna go in with my old dirty beauty blender. Wow, that blended very well. It's a very subtle highlighting stick. I probably could have gone lighter. Maybe I'll go back. Very nice. I'm impressed. Blends very well. I must say. We're gonna go with Truffle for contour. I hate contouring because I never want to come out looking crazy, but let's see. I must say it blends very well, guys. I am impressed. Nice. Not too shabby. That's my first time using a cream contour too. So, yeah, it's Ray. Go girl. Now, favorite part, highlights. Where is it? Rum. I could use cinnamon, but we'll save that for a later date. I'll swatch cinnamon for you guys, but I want to use rum. Rum bum. Ooh. Can you see it? Oh. Oh wow. Wow. Oh yes. You kidding me? This is, you don't see it? Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh wow. Like rum is, wow. I don't know if you guys could see it, but can you see it? It's very, it's subtle. It's subtle. That's what it is. Wow, I just want to put it everywhere. It's so good. Should we try cinnamon? Or let's just swatch it. So this is cinnamon. It's similar to rum, but let me not. Oh wow. Yeah, that's cinnamon. That's a bit pretty, don't you think? I am actually very, very oily in my T-zone. So is my contour too much, guys? Contour makes me so self-conscious about my makeup job. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it too harsh? You probably can't even see what I'm talking about. This is how self-conscious it makes me. So the blotting powder, definitely. This is something you would carry in your purse when you have a beat face and you have to be in at a all-day event. I definitely carry this. I'm probably gonna go back to Sephora though and get the brush, just because the little padding pad thing is, that's not the business. So definitely I'd say if you get the Invisimatte blotting powder, get the brush. It's sold separately, but definitely get it. Or you can just use another brush, doesn't matter. So now for the moment of truth. Trophy wife. So gonna use the cheek highlight. Oh. This is small. I don't know. Looking at other YouTubers' tutorials, I thought it was bigger. I'm not saying that it's teeny, it's just smaller than I thought. But I mean, I guess it's a normal size brush. I'm tripping. Now, Trophy Wife, all you need is a dab. I have used it before and I used my fingers. Bruh. comes out so intense on a brush. I mean, I'm not mad at it, guys. Just gotta blend it a little. Wow. Oh, wow. I want to put it on my eyes. Let's see. Do you guys think I should go darker? I don't know. It's like when I look at myself in the mirror, it looks like the right color, but then I look at myself in the camera. I would put this on my body, like all right here when I'm wearing something, you know, more low cut. Yes, honey. Guys, Trophy Wife has real glitter in it, so people are gonna spot me from a mile away. I know it. I know it. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Tarte liquid liner. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna turn to this mirror real quick. All I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in with Whirl. Whirl is literally my go-to. Trophy Wife is the bomb. I'm sorry. I'm still not over it, bruh. I really hope that you enjoyed this first impressions unboxing of Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I am so impressed. I love everything. The highlighting stick in caramel. I'm probably gonna go back and get a lighter one just so it can pop more, but honestly, caramel did a fine job. I love the way my face looks. I love the way the foundation looks like skin. I love how well the products blend in with one another. It's just, Riri girl, you did it, girl. You doing the damn thing. I know that she has like palettes out, eyeshadow palettes and lipsticks, and just she's doing it. Like, so I'll probably maybe go back and get some of those products, but I am so far very impressed. I just wanted to try out the things that she first came up with, but A1, like, this has my vote. This is Bounty Dreamer / Ryan approved. Like, so if you are in the US, I mean, I don't know why I have to say this. You guys already know the deal because I'm already like, what, 1,000 years late with this, but you've heard it from me now. This is worth every penny. So yes, go and get it. Like always, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it helps me out. And also leave me a comment down below telling me what you think about Fenty Beauty. Are you gonna go get it? Like, what are your pros and your cons? Because I love it, but let's talk, let's chat, you know? But anyway, I love you guys and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Let's do this. 2018, we're gonna hustle, we're gonna stack this paper, we're gonna make moves. I'll see you guys later. Deuces.